Hello and welcome YouTube to day 2. So it is a fresh, cold, lovely morning today. Nice, so just how we like it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the clutch in now, everything else done. This is the alignment kit I use. It's a Sealy one. Someone actually commented on about having a Sealy one, so yeah, that's exactly what we use. Sealy one, very, very good. All kinds of sizes. I'll just quickly show you. So this is the one I'll use. Loads of little extension bits, bigger ones, all kinds of stuff, so what you need, but this is the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to get the friction plate, pressure plate all out, get that all in, get that bolted up. I'll time lapse that. I'm going to show every single stage of this. The most important stage obviously going to be the calibration side later, but let's get the clutch all in, let's get it all bolted in, and then we can start thinking about putting the gearbox back in. Just a quick reminder, if anyone remembers from the last video, on the friction plate it will say flywheel side, unless you're a fucking idiot and you put it the wrong way, which yeah, it does say it on here, so you won't forget which way it goes. Be careful with it because it's fucking heavy, so bend with your knees, not with your back. That's self-avoid. So get the pressure plate in, get it all bolted up. Remember, when you're doing the diagonals, don't just go top and work your way around. It won't sit flush, so diagonals, then it's all bolted on evenly. So let's get this bolted up, less talking, get on with it. Probably whip around and torque all the bolts up, but that's the main bit done. Now we can line the gearbox back up, lube the end of the shaft, always lube the shaft, and then we're going to get the gearbox in. I'll try and film that as much as I can, so I'm going to need a hand pushing it in, so it might be a bit hard to see, but I'll try and do as best I can. Let's get the gearbox back in, and then we're towards the later end of the job. So that's gearbox pretty much in. So all I'm going to do now for the last little bit is just use the bolts just to push it in evenly each side. That went in quite easy. Like I said to you before, as long as you have it set on the jack, come out level and don't drop down. If it comes out level and you strap it up properly and everything like that, like, it makes your life 10 times more easier. So just have it set up on the jack properly, get it all lined roughly about. Use water pump pliers, one person on this end, one person on the other. Move it, get it to slot back in. Right, so last little bit, prop, plugs, air pipes, the usual. So let's get cracking on and get this done, and then I'll do the programming side of it. Right, so now this is the final stage. We've put the ring of 4 bolts in the top, secured all the air pipe, did the video obviously putting the half shaft back, and that's all sealed up. Once I've done the programming and calibration, I'll check the diff oil, make sure that's all good. But let's do this important part. Right, so this is the important bit we need to get done. This is the calibration part. So we're going to go CF, Euro 6. Make sure your air pressure's built up as well before you do this. Right, so let's take all that off, and then we're going to go to, fucking slides down, gearbox, and we're going to connect that. That's not working. So got it connected, got to go in gearbox, and connect, and then we're going to go into calibration, clutch position. I'll just put my expert code in and I'll come back to you. So put the expert code in, start the engine. Just let it do its thing. Just put it down a little bit so. You'll hear it like the revs drop kind of up and down a little bit. It's just trying to find the gears. Process is finished. Perform an error clearance on system, which I'll do. So all we'll do, we'll just put it into drive. Yeah, got drive there. Reverse. Crawler, reverse. Yeah. And then we should be able to flick it through. Yeah, so we've got all drive there. Obviously take on a road test, so I'll clear all the faults on here, give it a road test. Well, I'll check the oil before that, give it a road test, and then we should be all good. So that's another one done. Obviously a little bit different to the last one. Obviously I went through the calibration stage, pretty easy how to calibrate it, but just thought I'd show you that bit because maybe some people, they could make the mistake of just putting it in and then expecting something. So that's how you do the calibration sides. Do your clutch on one of these. Not a bad job. Like I say, main things to be careful of is that little seal on the back of the actuator. Make sure it's all bolted up correctly. Check your diff oil, obviously, if it has been recovered in. Tools you'll need: 15mm for all the bolts, all the gearbox bolts, and the clutch bolts, all 15mm. You need a clutch aligning tool, some sort of puller to maybe pull the spigot out if you're doing it. If not, 21mm for the flywheel. You'll need 13mm for the little cover that holds the plugs on, 21mm for the prop shaft bolt, and 22 for the nut on the back. And that's pretty much it, really. So, oh yeah, you'll need a Torx, I think, come with T30 maybe, or maybe a bit bigger than that for the actuator. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously this is part 2 of it. I hope I can catch you all in another video. I'm hoping to try and get out a couple more a week now, so I'm trying to up the game a little bit and try and get out as many as I can. So I hope I can catch you all soon. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Knock that bell on as well for any more uploads I'm going to be doing. And I'll see you all soon. Take care. So this is just a quick end to the video. I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone that's come on my page and commented saying, you know, Chris has sent us over or whatever. Thank you very much to Chris for recommending everyone to come and check my channel out. Everyone that's liked, commented, subscribed. Like, my channel's just gone through the roof today. Like, I really so appreciate everyone like taking the time to come and check my channel out and the videos and everything like that. Really does mean a lot. So carry on subbing, carry on liking, commenting, and let's all interact with each other and get ideas from each other and everything like that. So thank you very much to everyone once again, and thank you very much to Chris for recommending my channel.